Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we got a pretty active radar picture this morning. It's not big rain or heavy rain or storms or anything, but there's quite a bit of it, and we're going to find some of this rain lingering for a little while. We can see the whole Highway 84 corridor from Bainbridge to Valdosta wet and north. We've got some lighter showers, maybe all the way up to you get to Highway 82, and that's where we see a couple of more significant showers moving towards Tifton. If we look a little further south, going to see some activity into southwestern parts of Leon County, where we call moderate. Got a lot of light rain that goes into Jefferson and into Taylor now, and there's a little bit more that extends down towards the coast. So as we've watched over the past few hours, this shield of fairly light to maybe moderate rain moving from south and west and north and east into and across our area. This is going to continue for a couple hours, and then as we go through the day today with all this warm, humid air in place, I do think we can find a few more scattered showers at times. So we're going to keep some shower chances in the mix, but it'll start to turn out, I think, a lot more cloudy than rainy. But I can't rule out some showers even later on today. Now, temperature-wise, we're starting pretty mild, near 50. In Thomasville, we're at 50. In Tallahassee, we're at 54. In Valdosta, we're at 53. You know, mid-40s would be normal this time of year, so we're running a little bit warmer than normal. I see Blakely back at 46. There's the cool spot, the warm spots, Perry and Cross City, where it's 55. There's a 52 at Quincy, a 52 at Camilla. It's 50 degrees in Moultrie. Now, the breeze today is going to be more from the east than any other direction, maybe a little northeast at times. I don't think we're going to call it windy, but there's enough to stir things up where I haven't seen too much fog just yet. A couple of areas like Live Oak, like Cross City, like Perry, small reductions in visibility. We'll see if maybe a little more fog forms over the next couple of hours. It's not real big, widespread, organized, heavy rains, but what we do have is some energy out to our south and west, and this energy, as it moves to the north and east, it's going to be dragging a boundary our way. First, we get that surge of warmer air, and even with the clouds, I think we're going to see the afternoon temperatures perk up, and then some more energy develops, and all that might point to a much better chance for some bigger activity on Sunday. We'll see if that speeds up or slows down a little bit. So I think we're going to be going unsettled from now until the end of the weekend, and we may have a soggier day set up for Sunday if it all comes together that way. Futurecast shows maybe the best chances for the most rain today, probably before lunchtime, but I still can't rule out a couple of showers at times this afternoon, this evening. Likely not going to be super soggy tomorrow, but real cloudy, and I think kind of damp and feeling like it should be raining more than it actually does. That'll continue into Saturday as we're in this warmer sector before that energy starts moving east and trying to bring with it some more organized showers or even some thunderstorms come Sunday. So Sunday looks like our next best chance after today to get some rain, but I think there'll likely be a couple of showers mixed in there over the next couple of days too. A lot of us won't see any more rain after today until Sunday, but I do think at least a few sprinkles are possible in areas both Friday and Saturday. On the Gulf today, northeast and east winds 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. We'll put a light chop in the protected waters. Not bad for the boat, just a little bit breezy. I've got the rain chances really high early. It's raining in a lot of spots right now, but that should start to come down this afternoon. Temperatures will go from the 50s to the 60s and probably stay there. We'll call it cloudy and damp. We'll bring those rain chances back down to about 40% this afternoon. So I think we have fewer showers later, most showers now. And then tonight we'll see low 50s. We'll call it mild and more clouds. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast, where Friday and Saturday there can be some breaks in all that cloud cover. There can also be a couple of sprinkles, but it feels like after this morning, the next best chance to get wet comes Sunday, and then maybe a little less unsettled for the first part of next week. It looks like we stay warm for the first part of next week. Some of the longer range computers are hinting at a pretty good push of cold air at some point, maybe by next weekend. We got lots of time between now and then, and I think from now and then, it's all about the mild, but all about the cloudy.